Hey everyone, just wanted to go live. We just got these iPhone 14 Pro Maxes right here. So if you're in the market for an iPhone 14 Pro Max, we have them. We have purple. These are all 128 gigabyte. What else do we have? We have the silver one. And these are new sealed in. As you can see, they're not open. These are sealed. And we also have gold. And these are 128 gigabyte. These are unlocked, so you can use any carrier. You can use Cricket, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, Metro, whatever it is that you have. You can use these phones. Now, I only have a limited stock right now. We just got them in. So, if you want to get a 14 Pro Max, come see us today. We also do leasing, $80 down, and you can have it today. You just have to have a bank account. There's no credit needed. That's all you need. And these are 128 gigabyte unlocked for any service. We have purple, we have the gold one, and then we also have the silver one. And these are brand new, sealed in the box. As you can see, it's not open. It's completely sealed. So come see us today, guys. And we also have plenty of cases for them. So we can hook you up with this case and a screen protector and the phone today, all for $80 down. These are 128 gigabyte 14 Pro Max, and they're unlocked. Again, any carrier. You can use AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, any service that you have, you can hook them up.